Hi students, welcome all. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 11. In the previous chapter, chapter 10, we have discussed various forms of the equation of lines. Equation of line, a slope, intercept form, two-point form, normal form, intercept form, etc. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about some curves, circles, ellipses, parabolas, hyperbolas. Okay. The name of the chapter is conic section. In this module, we are going to discuss about circles. A circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point in a plane. That is, a circle is a set of all points. This is a set of all points, like a locus formed by some set of points, or path traced by some set of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. That fixed point is known as center. They are at equal distance from a fixed point. That equidistance is known as radius. This distance is known as radius, and this is known as fixed point known as center. Now we consider the equation of a circle. Equation of a circle having center at origin, that is 0, 0, and radius r is given by x square plus y square equals r square. This is the equation of circle having center at origin and radius r. Number 1. The next equation is equation of a circle having center at hk, coordinate hk or ordered pair hk, and radius r is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals r square. This is the equation of circle with center at hk and radius r. This is the equation of circle with center at origin and radius r. This is a circle with center, origin, and radius is r minus r. Here the circle is center hk and radius will be r. Equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay. Now we discuss some problems based on this formula. Okay. Question number 1. Find the equation of circle with center at origin and radius phi. Solution: we know that the equation of circle with center 0, 0 and radius r is x square plus y square equal to r square. Here given that center is at origin, that is 0, 0, and radius r is equal to, radius r equals 5 units. Then the required equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to r is 5 square, that is x square plus y square equal to 25. Next question number 2. find the equation of circle with center at 1 2. Center is 1 2 and radius 4. Solution, we know that the equation of circle with center having center HK and radius R is given by, it is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals r square. That is given that the center is given center HK equals 1 2 and radius R is equal to 5. Then the required equation is equation of circle. You can write x minus h is 1, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus k. We take k is equal to 2, then y minus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square. Just expanding LHS, we get x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equals 25. We can write x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 5 minus 25 equal to 0. The required equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 25 is minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, clear. Next question number 3. Find the equation of circle with center 0 2, which lies on y axis, and radius 2. Solution, given center is HK equals 0 2 and radius R is equal to 2. We know that the equation of circle having center at HK and radius R is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals r square. Here we can substitute in the place of h and k. 0 and 2 we get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals r is radius 2 square. We get x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 4. 4 will get cancelled and we get the answer as required equation of circle as x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. The constant term will be 0 if the circle passes through origin. Here the center is 0 2 and the radius 2. Then we know that 2 1 2 0 2 is the center and it passes through, it touches x axis at origin. X axis will be a tangent of the circle. If a circle passes through the center, then the constant will be always equal to 0. Okay, constant term will be 0. Then the required equation is x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. Next question number 4. Find the equation of circle having center at minus a minus b and radius, and the radius is root of a square minus b square. Solution, given center HK equals minus a minus b and the radius is r is equal to root of a square minus b square. Now we use the formula required equation of circle as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals r square. We substitute here in the place of h, we substitute minus a, then x minus a will become x plus a whole square plus y minus minus b is y plus b whole square equals radius is root of a square minus b square, that is root of a square minus b square whole square. If we expand the LHS, we get x square plus 2ab, that is 2ax plus a square plus y square plus 2by plus b square equals a square minus b square. A square minus root of a square minus b square whole square is a square minus b square. We get x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus a square plus b square is constant. Taking the right terms in the RHS to the LHS, we get minus a square plus b square equal to 0. We get answer as final answer is x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square equal to 0. Okay, clear. Now we will discuss some more problems in our next module. Okay, thank you all.